manufacturing, we face all sorts of IT challenges, starting from our optimization of when all the orders come in. We've got to start with our bookkeeping, order entry, programming of what kind of work has to be done to each piece of material as it goes through the workflow in the shop, then tracking all of that, and then finalization after it's all checked in. We use a barcode system that Entech has helped us implement so we can track every piece of glass that we make. It's very important. You'll see that there is a big screen TV or a monitor over every workstation. Everyone in that department knows what has to happen to the product as it's getting manufactured. And we always have a digital imprint of what has to be done. It's also good if a customer needs a remake down the road, we can simply go back to our files and look up what the original order was. So it's really helped us efficiency-wise. Entech has been extremely proactive on the security aspect of it. It's constant training for us so we can identify phishing and scams and any type of ransomware that may be hitting our servers. We are also very proactive in teaching all of our employees that have email how to be on the lookout for phishing and scams and the rest. Entech has been spectacular with that. The biggest impact that I see is keeping our emails up and going, keeping our servers going, backing up the data in case there's any kind of lightning storm, power outage, any type of flaw in the systems. Also getting us back on track. If we go offline, they've got somebody at an 800 number that we can reach quickly. They also have a local number, which to me is very important. We run multiple shifts here, so it's just not an 8 to 5 business. We go much longer, and Entech is always on call. To have IT support on call 24/7 is a game changer. Not having to have our CFO go around and restart computers, reset the servers, work on printers to get them connected. Just having an outside IT company is just so beneficial. I would highly recommend Entech to other manufacturers. Again, we started just doing paper and we morphed ourselves into the digital age, and now we have to back up, and everything that I didn't know, they helped teach us. I would highly recommend them if they want to step it up and get more into today's world.